Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to get longest string from a list of strings or words. In this example we have a list of employee names and we want to get the name having maximum length. We know that len function is used to get the length of given string and max function is used to get the maximum or largest value from given range. We will use both len and max function with index and match functions to identify the longest name. So type equals to index open bracket. Now we need longest name from the list given. So select cell A2 to A15, comma. To get the row number, we will use match function, type match, open bracket. Now lookup value will be the length of longest string. So type max, open bracket, len, open bracket, select A2 to A15, closing bracket for len, closing bracket for max function, comma, lookup array will be the length of each string. So type len open bracket and select A2 to A15 closing bracket for len function. Now here len function will return an array of length of each name, comma 0 for exact match, closing bracket for match function, closing bracket for index function. Now if you are using Excel 365, press enter, else press Ctrl Shift Enter key together. Result is the word or name having maximum length. Let's understand what match function did here. The lookup value will return the maximum value from the length of the selected range. Now I have selected the first parameter. Now press F9 to check the value and the result is 18. Second parameter, lookup array, will return the length of each string in the selected range. Again, I have selected the second parameter. Now press F9. It will show the length of each string as an array. The match function will return the row number of the string having maximum length, which is 4. And the index function will return the name available at row number 4, which is Kamalpreet Agarwal. In this video, we have learned how to get string of maximum length. We have used concept of array with max, len, and index and match functions. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notifications. Share your feedback, suggestion, and queries in comment section. Thanks for watching.